Today, I'm gonna show you how to fix MW2 error code 2004 problem. Before moving on to the video, don't forget to leave a like. Since I use Xbox, I shoot the video from Xbox. You can find the solution for PS in the comment section of this video. Our first solution is to delete the MW2 saved files. To do this, we press the guide button. Then we click on My Games and Apps, and then click on See All. We find MW2 among our games and press the menu button. After doing this, we click on Manage Game and Add-ons. Then we click on Save Data. Here we come to our profile and press the menu button. Then we click on Delete Saved Data. What we need to pay attention here is to delete this data only from our console. If we click Delete Everywhere, our game data will be deleted from both the cloud and our console. So we click on Delete from Console. When we re-enter the game, it will reload data we deleted from console from the cloud. After doing this, you can check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to our second solution. Our second solution is change our DNS address. If the problem we are experiencing is caused by our DNS address, changing our DNS address will solve the problem. To do this, we press the guide button. We come to the Profile and System and click on Settings. Then click on Network Settings. We click on Advanced Settings. Then we click on DNS Settings and then we click on Manual. After doing this, we set the primary DNS to 8888 and press the menu button. We set secondary DNS to 8844 and press the menu button to continue. We change our DNS address. Now we can check if the problem is solved or not. Our third solution is to reset our console and internet. To do this, unplug the power cables of your internet and console. After 30 seconds, plug back in the cables for your modem and console, and check if the problem is solved or not. Also, don't forget to select a game mode from the Quick Play options. Some people on Reddit have solved their problem after adding a game mode to Quick Play, so it's worth the try. We have come to the end of the video. I hope one of these solutions solved your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care and see you in the next video.